The first one we're going to do, sitting in a chair, we want to stretch out the extensors of the toes because our feet can get kind of stiff and then we don't operate as efficiently and we don't get enough extension in the big toe for push off as we walk. And it can also communicate up the rest of the body and create more stiffness in the ankles, the knees, and the hips. So to do this, just begin to press the toes down into the mat. We're going to hold this and just breathe in. Exhale out. The breath is important for relaxing the body. Breathe in again. And exhale out. One more breath in through your nose. And exhale out through the mouth. And let's switch over to the opposite side. Pressing the toes down into the floor, trying to push the ankle forward, creating a little pressure so you're getting a stretch into extension of the toe. Let's hold this for 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale out through your mouth. Breathe in again. Exhale out. Last one. Inhale. And exhale.